Hello, in this video I am going to discuss processing of silicon. The silicon that is available in nature is not in the pure silicon form. So from the raw material SiO2 we have to extract pure silicon. So the silicon which we use in the manufacturing of devices and so for that we need pure silicon which should not have any impurities. So to get this we have to go through some series of steps, and the technique is called Dzhokhowski technique. So here some series of steps we have to perform to get pure silicon. So in step 1 we have the raw material SiO2. SiO2 is the raw material which is called quartzite. It is placed in furnace along with different forms of carbon like coal, wood, etc. Like wood, coal, etc. So when we place this SiO2 quartzite with different forms of carbon, and when we place in the furnace is supposed to heat and the reaction takes place, that is SiO2 plus uh, carbon. This will give silicon plus silicon monoxide plus carbon monoxide. So here these two are gases. This is a gas, it is a gas, whereas it is a solid. Now here in this step the silicon that we got is a metallurgical grade of silicon. This is a metallurgical grade silicon. This is U grade silicon. See, we cannot use this metallurgical grade of silicon because it is only 98% pure. See, it is only 98% pure. That is, remaining 2% there might be other elements in this silicon. So we can call this metallurgical grade silicon as MgS. So in the step 2, MgS is pulverized. Okay, and it is reacted with HCl, okay, to form trichlorosilane. It's nothing but SiHCl3. Okay, now here silicon, this is metallurgical grade silicon, is reacted with hydrogen, 3 molecules of hydrogen chloride, which gives, so it will give SiHCl3. See here 3 chlorine atoms are taken and 1 hydrogen, so remaining 2 hydrogen atoms are there, so we get H2 molecule. So here this is gas and this is liquid at room temperature. This is more important, room temperature. So here the boiling point of SiHCl3 is 32 degrees. So when the temperature is greater than 32 degrees, then this will be in gas form. But as room temperature is below 32 degrees Celsius, we get it in the liquid form. So now the liquid, now SiHCl3 is in liquid form. Now in step 3, fractional distillation is carried out on SiHCl3 and impurities are removed. And we get pure SiHCl3. Okay. Now once we get the pure SiHCl3, so now here in step 4, now here a hydrogen reduction reaction is performed. Is carried out to extract pure silicon, okay, which is electronic grade silicon, which is known as electronic grade silicon. This is and we get it as polycrystalline, and the solid is polycrystalline. Okay. So here what is there? We have SiHCl3 is there. Okay, now when we react with H2, we get Si plus 3HCl. So here this is a polycrystalline silicon. Which is of electronic grade. So now, but in device manufacturing we use single crystalline, that is monocrystalline. Okay, mono is also known as single. Monocrystalline silicon is used for manufacturing of devices, manufacturing of semiconductor devices. So we manufacture monocrystalline silicon from the polycrystalline material. Okay. For more lectures on physics and nanotechnology, please subscribe. Thank you.